Here's the 454 SS rear end that I picked up. Busted it down, already took off all the brake stuff and all the lines and all that stuff. Getting it cleaned up, getting it ready to take it to the guy to get it narrowed, a couple inches on each side, so we can throw them big wheels on. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Sickness OBS. I'm gonna drop another video here for y'all. I'm gonna start working on my truck again. I got all my parts now, so we can redo all the front suspension on it. That's a little small fender bender I had and mess it all up. So y'all stay tuned for the video. It's hot as hell out here in Houston, but we're gonna try to get this done. Try to get her put back together. I got all new coil over front suspension for it. All new steering components, so we can try to get her straight again, because some little things got tweaked over here. I don't know if it's the arms or what. We're gonna try to get it straight again and try to get these wheels to tuck in more, because these big old wheels will hit the fender and don't clear at all before I put the new painted front end back on it. So here we go. she is, y'all. It's finally rolling on this new suspension, new front end. It'll be all painted one day so I can match, but that'll do for now. Now I just get to enjoy it once again. Big old street truck skating on big old 26s. I love the way it turned out. If that ain't a hard extended cab, then I don't know what is. They're 26 by 10s in the rear with a 4-inch backspace. I had to get the diff cut 2 inches from each side so I can get them to tuck with some rubber bands. I didn't want to run a tire that small, but I got them for steel, so I couldn't pass it up. And the front is 26 by 9s. Those control arms hold the wheels in, so all I had to do was just roll them a little bit more and they fit. So the ride's pretty good. It's got Viking coilovers in the front, and Viking adjustable shocks in the rear, so it doesn't ride bad. It rides pretty good. Got some new fans in there, since the other ones got messed up from the small wreck. These big Flexolite 16-inch fans keep it cool. Cleaned up the engine bay a little bit more. I'll be getting some slosh tubs later on, so the wheels could be covered and the engine bay can stay cleaner. Can't drive it in the rain, because if not, the whole engine bay will be all dirty. I had already had this big brake kit on it, 14-inch rotors with C5 Corvette calipers from AZ Pro Performance, and they work pretty good. And in the rear, before I put the wheels on, I did a rear disc brake conversion. It's just a little regular kit with standard kit with regular calipers, but I picked this kit because I still want to run 15s in the future for a drag setup. So I needed the smallest caliper possible to be able to clear 15s. So I didn't go with anything bigger in the rear. I do have another set of Corvette calipers from a C6, and those say Corvette on them. And I'm gonna get those painted, so they're gonna look badass behind the wheel. So watch that for a future video, a little video. Next thing I'll be doing to the truck is re-gearing, basically redoing the whole complete rear end, since that's a stock 454 SS 14 9.5-inch bolt, and it still has the stock 373 gears with the stock posi unit that works when it wants to. So I'll be putting a nice Eaton and probably some 456s in there, because these big old wheels slowed the truck down a ton from the launch. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all liked the video.